If we bring your mind on the right hand, on your left hand, lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Let us share our experiences, and if you have any questions, we'll talk about that. How are you, Sophie?
I have a very good meditation. I feel very good. I had this, like, all of a sudden my body clicked like that.
Yeah.
And then everything became calm and then settled deeper and deeper. Yeah.
You're right. You were deeper. That is, yeah. Because when we go deep inside, suddenly we normally get a kind of a shock or, oh, we are already somewhere else. What I'm doing. So that's a very good. How are you, John?
Hey, Girish. I found it difficult to do three things at once at the beginning of the meditation, but it became easier after a bit.
Like this, your narration, I like it. Why it is difficult? The answer is the inner honey. And why it became easy later? Because that inner honey went into the background.
Okay.
You had a total disagreement with me, and so this guy is also a human being, so you can start, reacting and doing whatever you want to do. Inner honey. And now see how the inner honey takes a step. And if the tiger is attacking you, then inner honey totally takes a different step. Oh, close the door. I don't want to fight with this tiger. Boss. Internally, we say, yeah, this boss is crazy. But when the boss says, I'm going to promote you, he's so wonderful. This is a normal conversation in our social life. So that inner honey we don't recognize. It is always present. How are you, Charlie?
Hi, everyone. Good. What I noticed was, and I've been noticing it for the last couple of days, my body is finding it hard to relax. My mind's relaxing. My body is, I can feel tension. I'm
Okay.
observing it, but it's definitely, I can feel it's like, no, I'm not relaxing. I'm not relaxing. I'm not relaxing. I've got that duality.
Yes, you are right. And why, again, I can explain with reference to the inner honey. Inner honey lives on a locus in the world on anything. I'm obsessed with the phone, so locus is the phone. So ego says, once you have it, you'll be happy. What is going to happen afterward? Who knows? If I buy this house, then I'll be happy. If I divorce this guy, I'll be happy. If I marry this guy, I'll be happy. You see, locus is outside, but first the locus is created, then ego, in order to fulfill, to be happy with a locus, it triggers the body, it triggers the mind, it triggers the emotion. That we are not aware. That we live almost unconsciously. No, it is not happening. No, it happens. You dislike, you hate a person and who appears in front of you. Do you see your fist clenches? Some stiffness of the muscles takes place. So it is the physical mind that is taking shape. Or you are emotionally attached and obsessed. And then you hug not only for 10 seconds, you want to hug for maybe a minute. It happens, it is so natural. So, means ego lives on an object that is the locus through the body. So, that body has many impressions. That's why we feel the body is not relaxed. Mind is relaxed. Sometimes we find the mind is not relaxed, but the body is relaxed. Sometimes we find that emotion is still catching up, returning again and again, and causing the emotional upset. So these three levels, the physical level, we normally say the vital level, that is emotional, and the third is mental level through the thoughts, feeling, the vital level. It might be going on at this time also. Notice it. We all love our inner honey. What is happening to your inner honey, John? Just so your observation, and now you understand this is how the honey takes it all on me, and you destroy it there and then. How? By knowledge, by understanding. By understanding. You'll be really surprised that the guy who used to clench his fist, I say relax, being comfortable. So his meaning of being comfortable is this. You're totally unconscious. Inner honey takes such a big toll on us all the time. I've seen a lot of people. I said, no, loosen this. Oh, this is what you mean, loosen this. No, I said, don't do anything. Okay, I don't do anything. So you are doing something. You feel that the people, their eyes, as if, their eyes are coming out, their pupils are coming out, moving into the world. They have a multi-locus because of the inner honey. Have you seen sometime they look at the people and it appears they are staring? I can give you hundreds of examples. We have 70 points through which we observe people. Should I tell you everything now? Why should I tell you? You'll be conscious of it. So you see, we understand that. So it comes by practice. So once you recognize that it is in me and you release it. So now you can notice and observe others also, and then you are carefree. Whether the Putin comes to before you or whether so I have already